Welcome to News Wrap Up on Orugo Television. Right now we are in Anambra State, where the state has actually been certified as the hotbed for kidnappers in southeast Nigeria. On the way to Uyo, some journalists were actually kidnapped while four later gained their release. At least one journalist couldn't make it. These journalists are sports journalists working with Super Sport International. Very sad story. We call on the state government to sit up and bring insecurity to its needs in that state. And on that basis, we'll come back to Abia State, where the PDP, as a political party, had come out to say, no, we are now born again. This was made known by the former Commissioner for Information, Chief John Okiyekalo, who has said those who left our party to APC and the Labour Party and all whatnot are those who are hungry for power, who have some cockroach in their cupboard, and who, in weakest language, do not have integrity. According to him, since those people have left, that nature has whitewashed their party, and the PDP in Abia State are only left with sense. Okay, and then we'll go straight to Lagos State, where a 32-year-old boy, simply identified as Joseph Ada, was arrested for stealing a car of his former boss. You know, he was terminated of his employment sometime in June. So for some reasons, he had a duplicate of the car key, a 2015 Camry. He had gone to his former boss' place and stole this car and was about selling it. Yeah, his former boss was living somewhere in Osapa, London, Lekki, and took it to Ikeja, where he was about selling it before he was apprehended. But funny enough, we so amazed with the reason why he stole the car. He stole the car so he can sell it and give his father a befitting burial. Wahala no dey finish. Of course, talking about wahala, we are going to Rivers State, where Rivers State has been certified as the politically wahala state in Nigeria. In fact, they have kept every journalist and every blogger on their toes. They have, of course, Rivers State had the most talked about local government election, where we saw a Fubara miracle, APP winning almost all the major seats in the local government, leaving just one for Action Alliance. And then when Fubara was about to day his day, Wike struck with a victory in court, recognizing his own faction in the state assembly as the genuine faction. Meanwhile, Fubara is not giving up, as he says those House of Assembly members remain suspended or remain expelled. You know, but it's so funny. However funny it is, we're already in Abuja, where the National Assembly are contemplating working hard towards making sure that the Federal Road Safety Corps are firearm carriers. According to them, it's become pertinent that these men of the Federal Road Safety begins to carry guns. What do you think about this particular move? Tell me in the comment section. Why are you happy to tell me about the comment section? It was the birthday of Nigerian popular actress, 24th birthday of Regina Daniel, which had a beautiful birthday. But the husband went ahead to celebrate her, saying, "Baby, it's okay. We wouldn't mind celebrating you almost every day." Like I said, like the video said, rather, love is sweet, but when money enter, love is sweeter. On that basis, this time around, we don't know if we call it love or it's, I don't know what we should call it, because something happened in Kano where a 65-year-old Lebanese was arrested and taken to court. Of course, he has been sentenced to 14 years in prison for sexually exploiting teenagers in Kano. According to the complaint by the body NAPTIP, the man simply identified as Mr. Akar, a Lebanese businessman, was on September 5 caught for when he went to a place called Civic Center Road near the Suya Sport in Kano and picked 15 years old girl. Yeah, and he took them to his place in somewhere around Unity Estate in Kano, and then sexually exploited them. Yeah, and the court had ruled on that, sending him to 14 years in prison. He's been and of course he's been News Wrap Up. Please support us by sharing our stories, and of course if you have stories for us, please kindly alert us. We are good to go. Thank you.